Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, we have to set our face. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select instance from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to refer 0 and 5. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to refer 2. Then we have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to press Ctrl+R button from keyboard. Then you have to take a ruler from here. After that, you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on 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 here and here. Then select the move tool from here. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here, here, and here. Then double click on here. Then select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here again. Then you have to click on here. 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 Then select the move tool from here. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. 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 Then double click on here. Then select the green color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select these layers, then press and hold out key, then take over from these layers. Then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the flip vertical. Then you have to drag this layer in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then press Ctrl+C button from keyboard. Then press Ctrl+V button from keyboard. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then press and hold the Shift key. Then decrease the size of this. After that, you have to click on the view. Then you have to click on the clear guides. After that, you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the guide in overlay. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer, then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the guide in overlay. Then click on the reverse, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the guide in overlay, then click on the reverse again. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to double click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this layer, then double click on here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to unlock the background layer, then double click on here, then click on the color overlay, then click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK, then lock this layer again. After that, you have to include the icons and write the text in here. I am already writing the text, so I am pasting the text in here. Then you have to open this image. You will get the link of this image in the description. After open the image, you have to select this tool from here. Then you have to press and hold the Shift key. Then draw this in here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then you have to increase the feathers from here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. After that, you have to set this in here. Then you have to click on here, then select the multiply from here, then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to open your logo, so I am opening my logo from ABC. Then you have to write this text in here, then you have to set this text in here, then you have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here, then you have to select this layer from here, then drag these layers in here, Then you have to select these layers again, then decrease the size of these layers. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace, then you have to back to the project, then unlock all layers from here, then you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here, then set this business card in here. After set a business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.